Hello everyone. Uh, it's me. Hang on. Hello. I'm just going to show you the things that I eat nowadays. I brought myself a pickle, ogurki, and this is just a butter bread or something. It's just a toast. And this is kurkuma, kunyit, and this is what is this? Yeah, cream cheese. This is for the bread though. Oh, that tastes good though, to be honest. And you all know what this is, chili, because it's really, there's nothing really spicy in this country, to be honest. And this is my pasta. This one I don't use because I don't know what the fuck is this. Oh, sorry, language. Yeah, and this is noodles. Need to wash the dishes. And this is rice. Oh yeah, you might not know the rice. Oh, this is not the rice. This is more like grichana. Oh, I don't know what the fuck this is. Oh, sorry again, language. This is jasmine rice. Yeah, I know this is a bit dirty because I just cooked myself pasta bolognese. I cannot cook though. I just put the sauce and stuff. And yeah, this is my room too. I don't know where my cat is, but I'm going to show you today what I eat today. Alright, so in the breakfast I got myself a bread right here with this chocolate jam and chocolate milk. And I also changing my diet to let me show you. Oh yeah, to a green tea, herbata zelona, green tea with kurkuma or kunyit, and also with this ginger jahe. I don't know, it kind of feel refreshing though, to be honest. And this is my fridge. I know it's messy, just don't ask me why. Almond milk every day. This is sock oranges, orange juice, and this is, we have sweet corn. Yeah, there you go, sweet corn. Oh yeah, this is Chichi. Hello. Oh yeah, this is actually hang on a minute. This is Actimel. This is like a yogurt. Kind of helps your oh my god, I don't know. Hey Chichi. No. How are you, Lulu? Lulu, how are you? Oh yeah, I need to go out again tomorrow though, so maybe I can show you what mosque in Warsaw looks like. Oh yeah. Today is not that cold. It's not that. Oh, you see that sunset? It would be nice to have someone, a partner to live in and watch the sunset together. Sadly, I'm still alone until now. This is Lulu again. Oh no. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to go out again and then show you how mosque in Warsaw looks like. Alright, then see you. Bye bye.